Happy January, day 9. Today we're making Preheat, which translates to Greenland cake. Today, Greenland and Denmark went to the US and met with the vice president to say, please don't invade Greenland. And I agree with them, and apparently so do most US citizens. However, the same percentage of people who think the US should invade, which is 17%, also happens to be the same number that believes in chupacabras. It might be the same people. The report is that after the talks, the president remains intent on conquering Greenland. And you might say, hey, Robert, you talk about climate change and biodiversity loss. Why do you care? Quit being political and get back to penguins starving because of ice loss. But the thing is, according to the IPCC, which the president just pulled out of, by the way, we now just have 4 years left to reduce emissions by 43% by 2030 to keep 1.5 degrees of warming. We can't focus on this if we are having World War III. So please, if you're in the US, please get out there and protest or support those who are. Now back to the recipe. And remember, together we can save the world. Let's try it. It's got a very unique flavor. And it kind of tastes like bread instead of cake. Thank you. Bye.